Wow, you can feel the heat coming back off the road. Carlton Towers, they have all kinds of game fairs and all kinds of things on there. It's a lovely looking place. Now we're coming to Snaith, over Snaith Bridge. Now, one of my previous videos, I believe I came over here, and what I didn't tell you was, down there's a river and an old bridge. What I didn't tell you, I flew my drone. Anyway, it just went completely out of control, probably pilot error. I am a bit dizzy, as you can tell, and I lost my drone. So basically I've come back with some binoculars. So I've come back with some binoculars, but I'm not hoping for anything. It seemed to go for that middle spar, the high one, and kind of went shooting off over there, but they've cut the grass. So we'll have a look. We'll have a look with binoculars. I ain't got much hope for it, I'm afraid. Lovely spot. Well, while I'm here, I might as well have something to eat. Oh, lovely little spot. Might be a bit noisy front road, but I'll put up with that. I'm in shade. Wonderful. I did leave some methylated spirits in the Trangia, so it won't want much in. So I've got my jet boil copy with me, a Highlander, and I've had it several years and I found it to be superb. I need to boil a bit of water for a cuppa. And we've got some super tomato and olive quinoa, Jamie Oliver. I've got some chicken and mushroom and onion and flatbreads. Got to bring a plate with me. Hey ho. Haven't been used for ages. Put that out of the way. That'll boil away. And what I'll do, that quinoa, I'll cut the top off it and just boil it in a bag. Just slicing some onions up, ready to put in my pan. Now the last time I was using this stove, I was letting it flame up like that, and one of my subscribers asked me if I'd got a simmer ring, and that's a simmer ring. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to attempt to put that on without burning myself, because that is flaming up. And we're done. And that has worked, so won't be getting as hot. I hate using these, but it was the only thing I had to get my hands on. I think sometimes I'd be better off taking the top off and just pouring it in. Hey ho. So I put my quinoa in the boiling water on my jet boil coffee. I've got enough water for a coffee, and in this pan I'm putting in my onions, and I've got a couple of mushrooms. It's quite surreal, is this? While I'm doing this, I'm getting messages from YouTube about a film what's just gone out today. Not from YouTube, from subscribers. And here I am cooking a meal. The mushroom belted in. Like I say, I forgot to bring a plate, so I'll just heat it out of a pan. And it's lovely and shady under here, I love it. Oh, this is a lot better than last time I tried cooking. A lot better. With the simmering on. Turn that down a bit. And I've got some flat white coffee. I'm just going to put in there and give it a stir. I've taken the simmering off as it won't cook in quick enough. That's better. So I'll keep turning this. And what also I've got is some chicken. Now it has been cooked, so I'm warming it up. So I'm not telling you to do that. And to go with that, I've got some flatbreads. Oh, it smells gorgeous. Jamie Oliver, come on down. Cheers. Keep turning this over. I've got to say, it's very nice doing this on a picnic bench. Can you hear that sizzling, people? I'm going to bring some bacon, but it said that that meal was with chicken or fish, and we didn't have any fish in the fridge. Cooking very nicely. Absolutely red hot. Well, I'll tell you what, people. Nice is this. So time to take it off the heat, and I'm going to tuck into that. Oh yeah. And put my simmering back on because I've swiveled the top round. I'll chuck it back on top of the burner. Whee! And that's put the flame out. Just I don't really want to put this on this table, it might melt it. So what we'll do, put it on top of a bowl. And I've got some flatbreads to have with it. Beautiful. absolutely wonderful. That was a cracking meal. And if you've enjoyed my video, please consider putting a like on it, and please consider subscribing. And thank you very much for watching.